to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Messi and people call me Salty Santi. So today we'll be talking about something interesting. Like if you've been on this channel, you've subscribed, I'm welcoming you. I appreciate you. Thank you very much for staying tuned. And if you're a new subscriber, thumb up. Welcome to this amazing family. I appreciate you. I want to do a very quick apology. You'll be hearing some carpentry work going on. I'm very sorry about that. It's going to be probably hammer or something going on in the compound. So today we'll be talking about godly lifestyle. Hope you love my hair. It's my hair. It's my hair. Hope you love it. Today we're talking about godly lifestyle and we'll be talking about proposing. We female, we ladies, we love when a guy proposed to us. So probably a brother. Let me know use the word a guy. A brother proposed to us and says, "Oh, my darling wife, my darling fiancé, my darling everything. Will you marry me?" And he brings out the ring and he kneel down and all these paparazzi. People say yes, yes, yes. Shouting this yes. And you're like, you're now crying and you now bring out your hand. Yes, and you collect it. You know the way we do it. It's not this paparazzi thing now. I know we love it. Even though we that we are lifers or probably MFM or people that don't use jewelries and they feel, I love this ring something. How will he propose to me? Even though I don't want to wear it after marriage or probably I just want the proposal to come. Like I don't want to end up proposal. What do you think? How do you think he can propose to you? How? And he's going to be at the midst of his friends. I just want to bring just one idea that is coming to my mind, and I wish you guys drop your comments. Like, please drop your comments. Your comments is highly expected. We are expecting your comment because other people want to see what other things they can use to probably propose to their fiancé, propose to their loved ones. Will you marry me apart from ring because they don't use ring? What do you think? What else do you think one can use to propose to their loved ones, their fiancé? For me, I think I will love flower. Flower, like a very good flower, the one that we use in showing love, bouquet. Yeah. And I would love it so well, so well. I would love it. I love flowers. I love flowers so well. And other people can use flowers. If you want to propose to your probably your fiancé and it has been approved and you're already preparing for your wedding and no matter the way they used to do it, proposing, you know that she's going to marry, you've prepared everything, you just come and say, will you marry me? The best thing, another way you can do it for brothers, and you know that we don't use ring or probably don't want to use a ring. I feel a bouquet is just something so romantic. It's something so nice. It's something so presentable to show love. It's a symbol of love. Yeah, a bouquet is a symbol of love. So you can just buy a very romantic bouquet that smells so nice and just organize the way you want to throw your surprise party for her. And you just be like, okay, you're tendering your bouquet. You write will you marry me? You write everything. It's just going to be exchange of ring for bouquet. Exchange of ring for bouquet. You're not bringing a ring, but you're bringing a bouquet. And for it to be more romantic and probably you would have discussed it during courtship and have told her, okay, what do you think if someone is giving you a bouquet for a proposal? You just discuss it during courtship, like just a true discussion, a short discussion, just to know our own ideology about it. And that's all. And from there, you just come with your will you marry me, set up your party, whatever you want to do, and boom. Everything is done. The deal is done. So you just bring out your bouquet. When she's saying you marry me, or probably the atmosphere, the romantic atmosphere, you tender your bouquet to her. The bouquet is going to stand as a symbol of love, just like the ring to her. You're not tendering a ring. You're not tendering a ring to her this time, but you are giving her a bouquet to show that you are proposing to her. So I feel bouquet is something that you can also tender to your spouse. Probably she's not your spouse now, to your fiancé or probably your intending wife to be. and you're intending sweet darling to be, yes, you can render, you can send her a bouquet to her, you can give her a bouquet, showing your love, proposing to her. So for me, I think bouquet is nice. I think bouquet is better than not even doing anything at all. Feeling since we don't use ring, just tell her in one place, will you marry me? She said yes, I'll marry you. Just throw party and the party probably within your circle of friends and just throw the party, celebrate it. No. Please let us touch this thing up. Let us make it so romantic. A bouquet is fine. Smelling so romantic. Giving it a bouquet that has a very sweet smell. Like when she's perceiving it, like I don't know how to I don't know how to express that feeling is just out of this world. They call it cloud nine. She's already in cloud nine, not cloud seven, oh, cloud nine. I feel so. I just that's just how to for me express your thoughts, your suggestion. So drop in the comment section. Drop in the comment section. Let us see what else you think a brother, help a brother. What else you feel a brother can use to propose to his fiancée apart from using the ring? For the help of those that don't use jewelries, that don't use ring as a symbol of union. So what do you think? What else do you think they can use? Drop in the comment section. Let us. I'm not a relationship coach. I just feel it was a discussion that led to this, so that made me to vlog it. That okay, let me get ideas, let me get knowledge from people that actually don't use ring. What else do you feel? What else do you feel that one can use to do a proposal apart from ring, and it's going to strike the heart? It's going to hold people so dear, like wow, this is so thoughtful of you, my dear fiancé, my dear husband to be. So I'm expecting your comments. I'm expecting your comments. Please subscribe as you are watching this. Please subscribe. I'm just your amazing girl. Keep believing, don't be stagnant, and keep being amazing. Till I come your way again. Thank you very much. Bye.